everyone. Today on Hello Susan, we're going to start a new journal. So I wanted to just share some of my ideas. We're going to use the digitals on Hello Susan at payhip.com. I'll have a link below in case you want to use the same papers. Since it's, we're getting ready for Valentine's Day, I thought it was a very good idea to use this one. Of course, it's one of my favorites. It's pink and blue. These are all the little things that I plan to put in the journal, and I'll go through that with you. It's called Love Always, as I said. Let me go ahead and move some of this out of the way so I can show you the papers first. I just love this part. Getting your ideas going, and it's just so much fun. Okay, there we go. All right. So this one says, listen to the whispers of your heart. Take time to love the little things. Of course, it's got birds, butterflies, and flowers. My favorites. Do small things with great love. And it's got a picture of a beautiful girl and some letters. Dream little dream. Follow your heart. Faith makes all things possible. Hope makes all things right. And love makes all things work. And then the word sweet. I feel like this can be used for anything. It could be used for a bridal journal. It could be used for Valentine's Day. It could be used for anything. It's not filled with just Valentine stuff, is what I guess I'm saying. Spread love everywhere you go. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. I really like using inspirational quotes. It evokes emotions with me. Happy, just be you. Isn't it so pretty? All the flowers. The colors are just so inviting. And this is a background page. So that was the end of the journal pages that come with the kit. And then you get 2 background pages. And this is one of them. This is birds and flowers. And that's pink and blue. This is so you can make pockets and envelopes and tags. Just anything you want to make to add to your journal. And here's another one. It's got a pink background and little red X's for kisses. And then this is the part of the kit that's your ephemera. And this one is journal cards, pockets, and little cutouts. I give you lots of words so you can create pages. And then I also make everything on the tag so that you really don't have to add that much to it. Some laces or don't even do anything. A day to remember. I love you. So I did do some heart things, but like I said, I don't think that it's just screaming Valentine's. Okay, and here's some tags. This is an envelope that you fold up. So this is the flap, this is the bottom, and this is the part that you'll see. And then this is a coin envelope. So when you fold it together, you'll fold it together like a box top. I'll show you when I get it done. I'll show you exactly how to do that. And tags. And then here's a little strip. And then, some more words. And some fussy cuts. And then here's another one. This is another little envelope. And this says joy and love. And then some more tags. And some more fussy cuts. So that's going to make a beautiful journal, I feel. All right, let me set this down over here. I'm getting a stack of things because I've got so many ideas that I thought about during the holidays that I still didn't find a place to set this down. I've got too many stacks right here in this little bitty space. Okay, I found it. All right, so I guess maybe it was, I don't know when it was, but it was last year. I went thrift shopping and I found this dress. And if you didn't see that video, I just went and I found lots of fabrics and things so that I can make journals. Well, I hadn't used it. I've been hoarding it. And it's covered with sequins and beads. So I think this is going to be the perfect journal to use this as the cover. So that's the starting point, is that. And then I've got this applique, which I probably am going to have to tea dye because it's really stark white, but the centers of the flowers are pink. So I think that's going to go good, and that's probably going to go on the cover. See how you can see how the contrast is a little bit too much, I think. Okay. And or I might go this way. I've got this blue applique, which looks really pretty on that pink, and since the journal is mostly pinks and blues, I might do that. So that's another way I might go. But I've got this trim, and I got this off Temu, and it's got pretty embroidered flowers. And then I got this one off Temu too. I tell you what, ever since I found Temu, that's where I'm getting my trims now. They are the right price for me. So that's embroidered lace. And then I've got this one, and I did get this off Temu. No, this came off the bottom of a slip that I thrifted. But I think that that's going to work good because it's not so pink. Now this is trim that I took off of a little, let me move that so you can see it better. It's very sheer, it's netting, and it's all gathered. And I took this off of a little girl's tutu skirt. And I just, that's how I got all that trim. And let's see, I've got this buckle that's got rhinestones. I don't know if I'm going to get to use it, but I want to. I want to use that someplace, so I'm going to try to incorporate that. We got these flowers, which I did get them off Temu too, and they're chiffon flowers with rhinestones and pearls for the centers. And then I've got this applique that's got sequins and pearls too. So that's my starting point. We'll see what happens, because I don't know if you're like me, but as I go on, what I thought I was going to do turns into something else. So we'll see exactly what happens, but these are the things that I plan on using, and we'll just have to see when I do the share. So I'm going to go ahead and let you go for today. That's it for me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.